Alright, let's break down the ABCs of auto insurance because if you own a car, chances are you need to know this stuff. A is for auto policy. When you buy auto insurance, you're signing a contract. You agree to pay a premium, and in return, the insurance company promises to cover you up to a certain amount if something goes wrong. Always, and I mean always, read your policy carefully. If there's anything that confuses you, just ask your insurance agent. And remember to check your policy every once in a while. Your life changes, and so might your coverage needs. B is for bodily injury coverage. This is the liability part of your policy, and it's required in most states. If you cause an accident, this helps pay for the injuries you cause to others. Now you can usually choose how much coverage you want beyond the minimum required by your state. For example, some states let you get away with coverage as low as $20,000 per person or $40,000 per accident. But honestly, that might not be enough, especially if you have a house or other valuable stuff you want to protect. A lot of people recommend going higher, like $100,000 per person and $300,000 per accident. C is for collision and comprehensive. Collision covers your car if you hit something, like a tree, or even another car. Comprehensive covers things like fire or theft. These aren't always required by law, but they can save you big bucks if something unexpected happens. If your car's not worth much, maybe these aren't worth it. But if you're still making payments on your car, your lender will probably require both. D is for deductible. This is the money you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. If you pick a higher deductible, your monthly payments are lower, but you'll have to pay more up front if you get in a crash. Here's an example. Let's say you have a $1,000 deductible, and your repairs cost $950. Guess what? You pay it all. Lower deductible, like $500, means you pay less out of pocket, but your premiums will be higher. E is for exclusions. Super important. Exclusions are what your policy does not cover. Most policies cover you for almost everything except what's listed in this section. For instance, if you do something reckless or illegal, your insurance probably won't cover you. So, read this part carefully. You don't want any surprises when it's time to file a claim. F is for filing a claim. If you get in an accident, tell your insurer as soon as you can. You'll need to fill out a report about what happened. Sometimes you'll talk to a claims adjuster or get your car appraised. If you're injured, you might have to see a doctor. But here's the kicker. If you wait too long to file, your insurance might not pay at all. So don't wait. Report it right away. So that's the quick and dirty on the ABCs of auto insurance. Knowing your policy, your coverage, and your responsibilities can really save you stress and money down the line. Stay safe out there, and make sure you're covered.